Although we have dry assembled a portion of our bench and the backrest slats are glued in, we are going to disassemble this and only dry assemble the sides. So I have my 2 side assemblies laid out and nothing is glued. I'm going to flip these so the mortise is facing down. So we are looking at the outside of the project. And if we look at our plans, the curved edge of the armrest is facing the outside of the project. The inside edge is flat, or rather those pieces are all flush. So if I set that up the same with my work pieces, making sure we put the correct angled piece on the correct side, the curved edge is facing out, and what is touching the workbench is the flat side, or is the inside where all of those pieces are flush. Now my critical measurement with this armrest is that the distance from the seat side rail to the armrest is identical. And we want to be measuring this as close as we can to the front leg and as close as we can to the rear leg. And to prevent anything from moving while I lay this out, I'm going to loosely install a clamp, and the distance from my front needs to be identical to the distance on the back. I am at 6.5 inches exactly. So we're going to set our back to 6.5 inches exactly. And then I'll make a mark on both sides. On our project, we do have a connection point between the armrest and the front leg. This will be connected with a dowel. So our objective is to lay out this placement of the dowel drill hole. On the front portion of the armrest, I am also going to trace the front leg. I can then take all of this apart and clamp my leg in the vise. And we will be making an X from corner to corner, which will help us place the dowel location. And I can do the same on my armrest. And with both of those laid out on both of the sides of our project, we now have our dowel drill point location.